What's up, beautiful people? It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back to teach you another line dance. Let's get things out the way. If you are in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. And as a friendly reminder, if you want to dance along to this instructional, it's the demo. Watch till the end and we can dance together. And before we get started, I want to give a shout out to you. You clicked on this video, I thank you. You liked this video, I thank you. You subscribed, I thank you. To everyone that's been leaving a comment, shout out to you. Thank you so very kindly. This dance I'm going to teach you is called Dance Close. It's a 2-wall dance, and there is a change in the dance, okay, a rotation, but I'm going to teach you everything you got to know. Let's go. All right, so this is going to be my wall right here, but we're not going to do this wall right now. I need you to see this footwork, so I'm going to go back. I'm going to start at this wall, okay? So this is going to start with a basic. You know what? I think I can start. No, I'm going to start at this wall. Never mind. This is our wall right here. So we're going to start with a basic. So our weight is on the right. I'm going to cross. Left, right, left, right, rock, recover, left, right, swirl, left, right, step in, out, in, step in, out. That's it. That's part one, all 4 walls. Let me break it down to you. So we do a basic, weight is on the right, left, right, rock back on the left, recover, left, right, swirl on the left, right, quarter turn, step in, step in, out. Again, starting with our basic, cross, left, right. I rock back on my left, recover, left, right, and swirl on the left to cross. Left, right. I step to my left, on my left, quarter turn, step in, step in, out. And you do it again. So part one, you're going to do on all 4 walls. Again, 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay? All 4 walls, the same thing. Let's do it one more time without you looking back at the camera. Basic. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Rock back. 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. From here, you're going to do it again. If I do it again, you're going to be looking back at the camera. When I start, you're still going to be looking back at the camera. So I need you to practice doing all this part one at all 4 walls. At all 4 walls. Same thing. The same what I just taught you, you're going to do it at all 4 walls until you come back to this wall. Now, let's move on to part 2. You got it already. You got part 1. You do the same thing. Okay, I'm going to do it again. 5, 6, 7, cross left. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5. Now, when I'm counting, I'm counting where my weight is. So when I say 5, it's not this, it's this length. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Swirl 8, cross, 1 and 2, okay? So keep that in mind. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And then you would do it again, all 4 walls, okay? Now, let's move on. This is our front wall here. For the sake of you seeing the footwork, I'm going to move it to this wall here. I'm not going to change my mind. This is the wall, okay? So, this is our wall, front wall. I'm only moving it to this wall so you can see the footwork. This is the same thing that would happen here. Okay, so I just finished. I just finished here. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. The end of the dance. I started here, so I came back to my front wall and I started here. Going into part 2, left heel is up. I started on my left. Remember, part 1 started on the left. Part 2 will start on the left too. I'm going to do a travel step. Forward, side, behind step, here. Quarter turn. So I'm going to do a quarter turn. So I do a weave step. 1, 2, 3, and 4. On 4, I make that quarter turn to my right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 is on the left. I'm going to tap, tap, roll, and roll. I tap on my right, and then I roll on my right. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, turn, 4, tap, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you turned on the left, you tapped on the right, and my right leg goes forward and roll and roll. Okay, and my right leg is forward. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, turn, 4, tap, 5, 6, 7, 8. So when I roll, I went right, left, right, left. Now, same thing I did on travel on my left. I'm going to come back with my right and do a half turn and do the same step. 1, 2, 3, and 4, tap, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what did I do? I went back, right, turn to my left, left, right, right, tap, left, right. So I'm alternating. My right leg was in the front. When I go on that side, my left leg is going to be in the front. Okay? So I did this step here on my left. 1, 2, 3, turn, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. My weight is on the left. Now the right leg starts. When I started the dance, it started on the left leg. Now my right. Right, left, right, tap, left, right. Now my left leg is in the front. On that side, my right leg was in the front. Now I come back with my left. Left, right, tap, right, left. So I'm going to do that 3 times. My right leg is going to be in the front. My left leg is in the front. Now my right leg is in the front. Let's put it together. 5, 6, 7, and travel. 1, 2, 3, turn, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Back, 1, turn, 2, 3, and 4, tap, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back, 1, turn, 2, 3, and 4, tap, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So, when that right leg is in the front, you go right, turn left, right, tap, roll, back left, turn right, right, tap, roll, and roll. And each time you turn, that's a half turn. Okay? Now we do a sailor step, sailor right, quarter left, sailor left, and rock, 2, 3, 4. get to you, back to your wall. Okay, that's part 2. So let's do that again, and then we're gonna put it together with part 1. Okay, 5, 6, 7. We 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Back, turn. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back, left. Left, turn. 2, 3, and 4. Tap. 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep in mind when I'm 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left. Sailor right, quarter left, and rock. 2, 3, 4. All right, come on. Let's get brave. Let's do part 1, all 4 walls, and then part 2. So you know what? I think I'm gonna keep it at this wall here. Let's stay at this wall. I'm not gonna go back to this wall. Let's start the dance here. 5, 6. Waiters on the right. I start on my left. 5. So we're going around all 4 walls. Part 1, all 4 walls. Part 2 is going to be our side wall. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Rock your cover. 5, 6, 7. Swirl left. It's 1 and 2, 3 quarter left. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Again, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Rock. 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and quarter left. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Do it again. Basic left and right. Rock back, recover. Right, left, right. Swirl left. Cross left. Right. Quarter left. Step in, out, in. Step in, out. Basic 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Rock. 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Turn 5, then 6 and 7. Part 2. 1, 2, 3. Turn 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Back 1. Half 2, 3 and 4. Left 5, 6, 7, 8. Back 1. Half 2, 3 and 4. Tap 5, 6, 7. Sailor right. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, hey, hey! You got it. You got it. If you need to stop and do this part again, part 1, part 2. This is the 2-wall dance. This is how we're going to get to the back wall. We're going to go right heel, left heel, and pivot, and pivot. It's right heel, left heel, and pivot out. Look back at me. What did I do? Watch this. You got to make it, the dance starts at the back wall. And this is what I want you to do. Just watch me on this part. When you get to the back, to make your transition, start on that left. Watch. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, roll 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, out 8. See? My left heel is out. That's what I want you to do. You do right heel, left heel. Right heel, left heel, quarter turn, right, left, right, left. Right heel, left heel, right, left, right, out, left. And then you go back into your basic step. All the way around the room. Now, I've taught you everything that you need to know about this dance. Let me give you, there's a change and I'm getting ready to show you. Now, so the dance starts over at the back wall. Part 1, your basic, left over right, all 4 walls moving counterwise, counterclockwise. So you already know how to do that, right? So when you come back to your back wall, your heel is going to be out. You do that travel step. You do that travel step to your right, to your left, to your right. You come back to the back wall with the sailor on the right, sailor left, right heel, and rock. Rock. 2, 3, 4. This is where the dance changes. Remember we did the right leg heel, left heel, and we pivot right, left, right, heel, left heel, and we pivot right, left. So we did it twice. The second rotation, you're going to keep doing it till you get to the back wall. So after we do part 1 and part 2, this part here, right heel, left heel. The first time you did it twice, and it brought you to the back wall. The second time, I want you to do it 4 times. You're going to be at your back wall when you start this dance again. Okay? So that means you're doing it 4 times. Right heel, left heel, turn. Right, left, right heel, left heel, right, left. Keep going. Right heel, left heel, turn. Right, left. We're not at the back end. Right heel, right, left, out. Now, when we do it again, we're not going to start with part 1. We're going to move to part 2. Okay? Now, I'm just going to change the dance up. This is what we're going to do. So pretend we're at this wall, but it's really the back wall. So we just finished the part 1, first rotation, and the second rotation. After the second rotation, we at the back wall. And my heel is out. Do I start with the basic that I do at all 4 walls? No. I'm going to go to part 2. What you mean? My travel step. Yes, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Tap. Roll. And I'm going to go 1, half, 2, 3, and 4, and roll. Turn and roll. Huh? Yes. You know why? Because I'm listening to the music and the choreographer listened to the music. So that part where we keep rolling and rolling, she changes it up. She makes it real short. So she goes into this part. She doesn't go back to the very top where you do part 1. You go back into your travel step. 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. She goes to the other side. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. 6, turn, 7, 8. That's it. Then she goes to the sailor step. Sailor, quarter turn, and rock. 2, 3, 4. Then goes to the heel, and you do that throughout the dance until it ends. Okay? When you see the demo, you're going to know exactly what I'm talking about. This dance is dance close. And you get 2 full rotations. Okay? And that second rotation, the heel changes. The first time you did it twice, this time you're going to do it 4 times. And it brings you to the back wall. So we start at the front wall. After the first rotation, it brings us to the back wall. We start to dance over again. At that end part, that last part with the heels, we do it, instead of doing 2 times, we do it 4 times, and it brings us back to the back wall. When we start the dance again, we don't start with part 1. We start with part 2. But we're not going to do all those rolls. When we do that first half turn, we go tap, roll, and turn around and go to the other side and roll. Then do your sailor right, quarter left, sailor, and then rock, 2, 3, 4, and then do your heels, heel, and then pivot throughout the dance. And that's the end of the dance. That's called dance close. So what I want you to do is look at the dance first. Look at the dance, the demo. You're like, okay, I see what you're doing there. Okay. Then come back here and put it together and leave me a comment and let me know what you think. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.